Hello, Professor. Okay, now moving on to question number 2. Let me share my screen. Okay, I hope you can see it. Um, okay, straight to the solution for this question. First, we need to create three beans. Let's get started with the first one. Let's type in lower bound, upper bound, and fixed cost. This is for the fixed cost. We need another bean for the unit cost and a third bean for the demand. So let's copy this, paste it here, paste it here, and we just need to change this this name. This is the unit cost, and this is the demand. Okay, next we need to copy these numbers and paste them for the unit cost. These are the numbers and the demand. Okay, now we have it. Perfect. Let's add some borders. Okay, great. Now we have our three beans where the lower bound, the first lower bound is always 0. So we can copy and paste. And then for the first upper bound is the first probability. You can copy and paste. Perfect. So it is very smart. It is using the right numbers. Okay. For the second lower bound, we use the previous upper bound. Okay. And for the second upper bound, we use the previous upper bound plus the second probability. Copy and paste. Great. Okay, now we can drag our formula down and we should get 1. If we get 1, it means we did it correctly. Okay. Perfect. As we can see, I got 1 for every bean. That means I did it correctly. Now let's go to a profit model and add it here. Okay. So our profit would be our given price, and let's fix this value, times the demand, close parentheses minus, open parentheses again, our unit cost that we're going to calculate, times the demand, plus our fixed cost. Okay, hit enter, and drag it down. Now, for these values, we need to run a VLOOKUP. So let's open the formula, VLOOKUP. The lookup value is our given random variable. And the table array is this, the first bean. Let's fix the bean, F4. And then the column index is our third column for the fixed cost, in this case, for the first bean. Okay, now we want a approximate match. Okay, we can drag it down. Perfect. Okay, I'm making sure the formula is right. It seems right. So I'm gonna copy and paste. And to fix this second bin, I just need to move the fixed values to the second bin. And I can drag it down, double click, copy the formula again. And these are not actually dollar amounts. So I'm gonna change it to a regular number. And I'm gonna click on the formula, move the bin to the third bin for the demand. I'm gonna get rid of these two decimals and drag it down. Perfect. Now we got our profit. We just need to calculate the mean, which is the average of the profit, and then the max of the profit, and then the mean, and lastly, the standard deviation of a sample. We don't have the whole population, so we use the standard deviation of a sample. And that's all. Now we can go to the solutions and check our answers on the question 2. As we can see, I got 100% for all the components in question 2. So thank you.